Hi everyone. This time we'll help you understand how to use your RayClick product. The main idea of RayClick is to take your touchscreen based phone, like the one you see here on the right, and help you navigate through Project Ray menus as easily as possible. We decided to mimic the navigation panel of smart button-based phones. Those allow you to control the phone using just 4 buttons. Now, with RayClick, a portable Bluetooth-based navigation panel, you can control any touchscreen-based phone using physical buttons. First, you'll connect the panel via Bluetooth and place it anywhere you see fit. You can stick it on the back of your phone, to a walking stick, to a wristband. You can even put your phone in your pocket and control it from afar. After that, you're ready to go. Start navigating through Project Ray menus using these 4 buttons. Search up and down in a list of items or options, select, enter, and go back. These buttons are sufficient to control the entire phone. Want to go back to using your touchscreen? No problem. Project Ray works simultaneously with RayClick and Touch. You can move from one to another without doing anything.